Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the solar radiation function in LiDAR 360. First, on the right side toolbar of the LiDAR 360 main interface, click on the Terrain drop-down menu and find the Solar Radiation tool. You can also search for the Solar Radiation tool directly and click to open it. In the pop-up window, start by selecting the DEM file you want to analyze. After making your selection, configure the output unit, location, latitude, day, and other parameters based on your needs. You can also choose to enable SVF and resampling if required. When you select resampling, you can set the resolution and choose from 10 different resampling methods. Once you've set all the parameters, select the output path and click OK. The tool will generate TIFF files that include direct, diffuse, and total solar radiation. That's the entire process of using the solar radiation function in LiDAR 360. Thank you for watching.